What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What is going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
All right. Coinbase, we hear you and we support you. What is that about? Now, lately, there's been some advertisement done by the biggest crypto exchange next to Binance, which is Coinbase. More importantly, Coinbase is probably the most important crypto exchange because it's the name that everybody knows. Think Robinhood, right? For stocks. Even though it sucks, everybody knows the name. Coinbase, when it comes to crypto, if your token gets listed on Coinbase, you are A1 for the money. Now, why this is important? We're going to go through that story, and then we're going to come back and tell you our thoughts on Coinbase and their advocacy program. Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so Coinbase closed up 7% higher today after crypto advocacy campaign. So on May 22nd, the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced the largest part of its push to promote the benefits of cryptocurrency across America. The nationwide campaign titled Crypto, Moving America Forward, is set to start with the airing of a TV ad in Washington, D.C. on Monday. The company's shares also closed 7% in the green. The campaign has been created with a historian of money and will, along with more traditional advertisements, feature several interesting stunts, such as an armored money truck turned mobile billboard that is to drive around New York with the aim at demonstrating how inefficiently money moves. Coinbase also plans to organize a Stand with Crypto Day on July 19th, during which it will make a gathering in Washington, D.C. in hopes of further advocating in favor of cryptocurrencies. Coinbase made a significant effort to advocate the benefits of the digital currency or of the digital assets. The cryptocurrency exchange has, through its own work with regulators and legislators, attempted to demonstrate that the industry can be fully compliant. Armstrong also stated that the development and adoption of digital assets in the U.S. is not only the best way to help average Americans in the long run, but will also eventually become an issue of national security. Coinbase's campaign comes after months of increased regulatory pressure in the U.S. that even saw the exchange itself receive a Wells notice from the SEC, and multiple cryptocurrency companies have already departed the country, citing regulatory climate as the main reason. So it's really good to see Coinbase doing this, especially because as of late, they've been trying to stand up to the SEC, trying to get more clarity on what is compliant, what's not compliant, and also it's just pushing crypto forward for adoption. Bob, what do you think?
Yeah, man. Like I said in the intro, I think this is great. I think this is outstanding for Coinbase. I mean, I think Coinbase doing this will kind of set the standard and kind of give that message to the average everyday person that's been hearing for the last 2 to 10 years that crypto is a scam. I think that most people miss the actual utility, the actual technology, the actual economic next step that crypto provides for people of today. In the video, when you go and watch the actual commercial, they specifically point out the problems that we're having with banks nowadays. The fact that you can't get your money after a certain time, the fact that you can't get your money on weekends on certain days, holidays they're closed, after hours they're closed. If you do get a money transfer, you're waiting 2 to 3 business days, right, after a certain time to get your money. That is barbaric at best. In the modern day technology era that we live in, there should be something that matches there should be things that match that technology with our economy. I.e., if in the year 2023, I should be able to take out 100 to 100 million, right? Whenever I actually want to, whether I'm in the States, overseas, in another country, crypto provides that for you. That's why it's so important for people to be educated on crypto, not be afraid of crypto. So crypto, along with Coinbase, can educate the masses with this commercial brand, because we all know people only pay attention to what they see in commercials. In 2023, although we're technology savvy, our attention span is down to about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And you probably didn't even hear all of this because your attention span has already ended. That being said, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Come back and check out myself and Justin at the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. But my name is T. Hobbs. That guy is Jay Seals, and we will catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.